Hi, this is Marty once again and welcome to my channel. Our topic for today is all about 9 of the world's deadliest spiders. More than 43 different species of spiders are found in the world. Of these, only a small number are said to be dangerous, and less than 30 have been responsible for human deaths. Why are so few spiders harmful to humans? Much of the reasons may result from the size differences between people and spiders. Spider venom is designed to work on smaller animals, but the venom of some species can produce skin lesions in people or produce allergic reactions that result in fatalities. It is important to understand, however, that death by spider bite is very rare since clinics, poison control centers, and hospitals often have various species-specific antivenin on hand to treat the bite. Number 9. Brown Recluse Spider. The brown recluse spider is one of the most dangerous spiders in the United States. Its venom destroys the walls of blood vessels near the site of the bite, sometimes causing a large skin ulcer. Research in 2013 revealed that a protein in the spider's venom targets phospholipid molecules, which make a good portion of cell membranes, and transform these molecules into simpler lipids. The wound that is produced may require several months to heal, or it may become infected, which could lead to the death of the victim. Deaths from brown recluse spider bites are rare. Number 8. Brazilian wandering spiders. These species are sometimes also referred to as banana spiders because they are frequently found on banana leaves. They have an aggressive defense posture in which they raise their front legs straight up into the air. Phoneutria are poisonous to humans and they are considered to be the deadliest of all the world's spiders. Their venom is toxic to the nervous system, causing symptoms such as salivation, irregular heartbeat, and prolonged painful erections in men. Scientists are investigating the venom of P. nigriventer as a possible treatment for erectile dysfunction. Number 7. Yellow sock spider. Yellow sock spiders are clobionids, a family of spiders that range in body length from 3 to 15 mm and build silken tubes under stones, in leaves, or in grass. Chiracantium inclusum, found throughout the United States as well as in Mexico southward through South America, is venomous to humans and is often found indoors. The spider's venom is cytotoxin, a substance that destroys a cell or impairs its function that can produce necrotizing lesions, but such lesions occur rarely in bite victims. Still, redness and swelling at the site of the bite are common reactions. Yellow sac spiders are not docile creatures. A female yellow sac spider, for example, may bite when defending her eggs. Number 6. Wolf spider. Wolf spiders belongs to the family Lycosidae, a large and widespread group that is found throughout the world. They are named for their wolf-like habit for chasing and pouncing upon prey. Most wolf spiders are dark brown and their hairy bodies are long and broad with stout long legs. They are noted for their running speed and commonly occur in grass or under stones, logs, or leaf litter, though they may invade human dwellings that harbor insects. Although the spider is not considered to be aggressive, it will often bite people in self-defense. Wolf spiders are venomous, but their bites are not considered dangerous. The spider's large fangs cause physical trauma at the site of the bite. The bite itself has been described as similar to that of a bee sting, and the venom that spider injects may cause itchiness at the site. This painful bite, coupled with their speed and startling appearance, can be unsettling, and some bite victims panic from the experience. Number 5. Black Widow Spider. The Black Widow is responsible for more than 2,500 visits to poison control centers every year in the U.S. It is one species that can be found from the United States and parts of Canada through Latin America and the West Indies. The most common member of Latrodectus in North America. It makes its home in a variety of settings such as wood piles, burrows, or among plants that serve as supports for its webs. Its bite, which may feel like a pinprick on the skin, often produces severe muscle pain and cramping, nausea, and mild paralysis of the diaphragm, which makes breathing difficult. Most victims recover without serious complications, although the bite is thought to be fatal to very small children and elderly. No deaths have been attributed to bites by widow spiders in the United States. Number 4. Brown Widow Spider. The brown widow is thought to have evolved in Africa, but the first specimen described came from South America. It is classified as an invasive species elsewhere around the world. Brown widows population have appeared in southern California, the Caribbean, the U.S. states of Gulf Coast, as well as in Japan, South Africa, and Madagascar, Australia, and Cyprus. The species makes its home in buildings, inside old tires, and under automobiles, as well as among shrubs and other vegetations. Brown widow venom is considered to be twice as powerful as that of the black widow. However, the species is not aggressive and only injects a tiny amount of venom when it bites. Still, brown widow bites were associated with the deaths of 2 people in Madagascar in the early 1990s. Number 3. The Red Widow Spider. The third widow spider on this list is the red widow or red-legged widow. The spider's appearance is distinguished from other widow spiders by its reddish cephalothorax and legs and its reddish-brown to black-colored abdomen. Currently, red widow spiders inhabit palmetto-dominated shrublands in central and southern Florida. However, some experts believe that this range may be expanding. The spider feeds on insects and it is not considered to be aggressive towards people. However, it has been known to bite when it is protecting its eggs or when it is trapped against a person's skin by clothes or footwear. The bite of the red widow is similar to that of the black widow, and identical symptoms such as pain, cramping, nausea, and etc. typically result. Likewise, death from the red widow bite is rare, since the spider injects such a small amount of venom. Very young children, the elderly, and people with health problems are most vulnerable to red widow spider bites. Number 2. Redback spider. The redback is another cousin of the black widow L. mactans. However, this species is not as widespread. It is native to Australia, but it has spread to New Zealand, Belgium, and Japan through grape exports, since the spider often builds nests and webs on grape leaves and inside bunches. The species is widespread throughout Australia, living in all of the continent's varied environments, except for its hottest deserts and frigid mountaintops. The species is also found in urban areas, frequently making nests in human dwellings. The redback is identified by its prominent red stripe or hourglass shape mark on its black-colored back. This mark is more noticeable on female redbacks than on males. Redback spiders are not aggressive and are more likely to play dead when disturbed, but a female spider defending her eggs is very likely to bite. Both male and female redbacks are venomous, but most envenomations primarily result from female bites. Only 10 to 20% of all victims bitten are envenomed. The venom is mixed neurotoxins called alpha-latrotoxins, which produces pain, sweating, rapid heartbeats, and swollen lymph nodes. The spider can moderate the amount of venom it injects, and the severity of these symptoms often depend on how much venom is delivered. More than 250 redback bites are treated each year in Australia, many with antivenin. And the number one of the world's deadliest spiders is the funnel web spiders. This family of spiders in the order Erinida are named for their funnel-shaped webs, which open wide at the mouth of the tube. The spider sits in the narrow funnel waiting for prey to contact the web. When this happens, the spider rushes out and captures the insect prey at the funnel's mouth. The species Atrac robustus and A. formidabilis are large, brown, bulky spiders that are much feared in southern and eastern Australia because of their venomous bites. Several human deaths from the bites of these aggressive spiders have been recorded in the Sydney area since 1920s. An antidote to the main toxin in their venom has been developed, which is effective if administered to victims soon after they have been bitten. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.